Welcome to this short cabin tour of a balcony cabin on Holland America Line's Oosterdam. The cabin we're going to look at today is cabin 5047 and it's located on the veranda deck. This is a VB veranda stateroom and it's positioned in the mid-forward section of the ship on deck 5, so it's low down on the ship and great if you're prone to motion sickness. It's also near the lift, so it's super convenient, but still really quiet. This stateroom is a triple cabin, so it sleeps up to 3 guests, 2 in lower beds, which can be twins or a double, and 1 in a single sofa bed. The cabin is light, airy and quite spacious, offering good floor space. As you can see, this cabin is currently set up as a double, but it can also be configured as 2 singles. One thing I appreciated about this cabin was the privacy curtains, which block out some of the light. So if one of you is an early bird and the other one is a late riser, these curtains can be useful to avoid disturbance and offer some privacy. Here's a small seating area, and this sofa also doubles up as a sofa bed. The table in the cabin is also height adjustable, so perfect for having room service. There's a good sized vanity area with plenty of storage, which I'll discuss in more detail in a moment. Here on the vanity you'll find the mini fridge and a small stool which has hidden storage. It's perfect for storing bags or items you need quick access to but don't want lying around the cabin. The desk area also features 4 sockets, 2 European and 2 US, plus there's 2 USB sockets as well. As mentioned earlier, the storage in this cabin is plentiful. There are a couple of cupboards with shelves above the sofa bed, and on each side of the main bed you'll find some bedside tables with reasonably deep drawers. You'll also find extra USB socket here along with a cabin telephone, and there are also some reading lights behind the bed. The main storage is located in the hallway just before the main cabin area. Here you'll find a double wardrobe with half hanging space and shelves, a small safe and a tie rack. Plus you'll also find normal coat hangers, so Holland America Line gets a big thumbs up for me on that one. There's also a single wardrobe in the middle section along with another double wardrobe at the end nearest the door. One clever little design feature in these wardrobes is these pull down shelves, which allow you more shelf space if you prefer less hanging space. Additionally, you'll also find a full-length mirror on the door in the middle wardrobe. Other amenities in the cabin include a powerful hairdryer and a magnifying mirror, which earns Holland America Line some extra bonus points for me. There are also beach towels which can be purchased and bathrobes. Holland America Line offers a laundry service from your cabin, and you can see the size of the laundry bag provided along with some of the prices I've put here as well. Holland America Line offers unlimited laundry and pressing packages, and these are excellent value. You'll have more information about the pricing for your specific cruise and its duration in your cabin upon arrival, but they typically start around $40 per cruise. Through the Holland America Line Navigator app, you can also arrange various services for your cabin, such as laundry pickup, ice bucket refills, extra blankets, or even an extension cable. And if you're looking for the balcony light, it's hidden behind the curtains. The temperature controls are located in the small hallway next to the wardrobes, and I was pleased to find that they go down as low as 19 degrees C. Now let's move on to the bathroom. Since Oosterdam was launched in 2003, the bathroom is a bit dated and has a shower curtain. However, the bathroom is spacious and the shower is powerful. Holland America Line also provides Elemis amenities in the cabin, which include shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion and also hand wash, so there's extra bonus points from me there. There's also some good storage space within the bathroom too, including this side cupboard to store your items neatly. And there's also a shaver point, a washing line and extra hanging space for bathrobes. Moving on to the balcony area now. This is a good size balcony with reasonably deep space, which is characteristic of the Vista class ships, although there are some cabins on deck 4 which have balconies which are slightly deeper. There are 2 chairs and a footstool and a small drinks table. While not big enough or high enough to eat a meal from, the table is big enough so you can balance a room service tray on it. The door to the balcony is hinged, not a sliding one, so this does limit the space in the balcony a little. The location of the balcony is excellent, offering unobstructed views, making it a perfect spot to listen to the soothing white noise of the waves from the bow of the ship. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this cabin in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe and check out some more of my Oosterdam content now.